Hey Bulls, while living on campus, you may need to request maintenance services. We're here to help. If you encounter a maintenance issue, contact Housing and Residential Education to let us know about it. If it's not an emergency, but a routine maintenance issue, you can submit a work order online. These include issues regarding furniture, appliances, community television, and any other non-urgent malfunctioning item. To submit a work order, visit our website and complete the maintenance request by following the instructions listed online. In maintenance emergency situations, call your building's maintenance number for immediate support. Residents should call 727-873-5101, and remember, call 911 if the emergency could be harmful to you or others. Maintenance emergency circumstances include but are not limited to flooding, power or AC outages, or any other urgent maintenance issues. If an issue occurs between 5 p.m. and 8 a.m., contact your RA on duty for support. Housing and Residential Education is here to support you by providing a safe and healthy living environment. Thank you for choosing to live the Bulls life. Go Bulls!